Hello guys, this is Mike from Nitro Speed. Hope you guys are doing well tonight. Starting off with a 77 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. Real sweet casting, not much tampo work runner back though. And got a bunch of randoms here that I'm going to show you tonight. Cup, there's a few in here I don't show very often. And got a visitor. Say hi, Lex. Lex, over here. Lexi, look at Daddy. Lex, here. Say hi, Lex. Yeah, there she is. It's Lexi. Yeah, she's my visitor. She hadn't been on a video in a long time, huh, Lexi? She's a sweet girl. My wife's service dog. She's such a good girl. She came to say hi. Yeah, huh, Lexi? Alright, guys, go back to the video. We had a special guest. She wanted to be a part of the video, I guess. Yeah, now I get a lot of people talking about her when the video's done editing. But anyway, guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Alright, and I got Lexi all over my hands. Hi, Lex. Alright, guys. Next one, 69 Ford Torino Talladega. Burgundy in color, yellow and orangish flames. Yeah, that one's pretty sweet casting. I really like this one. I have quite a few Ford Torino Talladegas in my collection. Good girl. Sorry. Lexi's wants some attention here. Just petting her. Alright, guys. Go next one. Whoops. Alright. It's a 69 Chevy Chevelle stock. And got really cool looking rims on it. Stock rims, I should say. Yeah, and the hood, let me see if the hood stays up. Let's see, guys. Oh, it does stay up. Yeah, but not all the way, so, oops, see, it just doesn't want to stay up. Yeah, sorry, guys. I have two cars in here where the hoods don't want to stay up. They just fall right back down. Yeah, she's a sweet girl. Yeah, good Lexi, huh? First time spinning here, and I mean quite some time. She used to come in all the time and see my videos when I was doing a video, and she'd pop in, so it's been a while since she's been on a video, and I know some of you guys know who she is. She comes in here once in a blue moon anymore. She pretty much hangs out with Mama a lot, so. Alright, guys. Let's go to the next one. Oh, yeah, she went back in the room to see Mama. I can finish the video. Okay, this one's a 67 Pontiac GTO. Yeah. Get Lexi all over. Lexi's leaving her mark on our cars, so. Anyway, this is a great looking casting. Yeah, it's still on there, it doesn't want to leave. But this is a great looking casting. I like the rims and tires on this. Great tampo work front and back. It's probably one of my favorite Pontiac GTOs in my collection. Most definitely. I really like this one. Alright, guys. Next one. It's going to be kind of a long video, guys. Next one, 67 Chevy Camaro. And this is the other one where the hood doesn't want to stay up. This falls back down, so I hope you enjoy this casting. I mean, got real nice tampo work front and back. It's a great looking casting. Got a metal base to it, and it's got some good weight to it. Alright guys, next one. Mustang Mach 1. And this one, I got from a, let's see, where was that again? Antique store. And this one came out of the Hot Wheels Classics. And it's a pretty cool looking casting. It's got the Spectra Flame color on it. Not much tampo work front or back, but still a great casting. I love the color. Alright, let's go ahead and go to the next one. '68 Corvette Stingray, Gas Monkey style. And yes, I picked this up from Walgreens. And I passed up the first time, and the second time there was another one, so I was able to get a hold of it. Got the real riders on it. It came in a really special package. And it's pretty cool looking. I really like this one a lot. It's a great casting. Alright, let's go ahead and go to the next one, guys. This was the one that I don't bring out too often, so I wanted to bring out the Corvette and do something a little different. This one's a '68 Chevy Nova. This one came out of the Plain Customs from Target. And it's a great looking casting. I love the color and the design on it. No tampo work front or back, but that's okay. It's still a great looking casting. Alright, guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one more time around. I'm gonna get a drink of my Gatorade here. Alright, guys. Next one. '68 Hemi Barracuda. This one's a great looking casting. It's got a little smudge there on the rear window, but that's part of the 50th Classics. It's kind of like the reissue. And I got the complete set. I was down to the Camaro, and I just could never find it for the life of me. And Rap Black was kind enough to send me one, and he knew I wanted it, so he sent me over the '68 Camaro. So I was really grateful I was able to get a hold of it, and I thank Rap Black for that. And this one is such a great looking casting. Love the old red lines on it. Love the color of this, just absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, this one's great. Not much tampo work front or back, but that's alright. It's still great looking casting. Alright, guys. Next one. Oops. Next one is Plymouth Duster. This one came out the Stars and Stripes. And I do like this one a lot. I think I have like 3 Plymouth Dusters. And it's pretty cool casting. No tampo work front or back. But it sure is a real nice casting. Now, I remember these growing up. Love the Plymouth Dusters. Got the open engine, or the open hood. This one's gorgeous, gorgeous casting. Alright guys, down to the last two. We're on 10 minutes already, so... Okay guys, 66 Dodge Charger. This one's gorgeous. Absolutely love this. I have a light blue one as well, so... they're both M2s, but they're pretty nice looking castings, but a lot of the M2s, when they roll, they kind of bounce around. They don't roll like the Hot Wheels or Matchbox. But it's still a great looking casting, though. It's got the, I forgot what they call that, the roof on there. It's not metal, I can't remember the name of it, but it's still a great looking casting. I really like this. A lot of real nice detail on this. Alright guys, next one, and it's the last one for the night. It's definitely one of my favorites in my collection. One of them is a Ford Maverick, and this is the one, the hood does stay open. It's a Johnny Lightning style, and it's a great looking casting. I love the color. The engine looks really nice. It's very nice casting. I'm glad I have this one in my collection. I'm glad I was able to get a hold of it, because this is absolutely gorgeous. I love the old Ford Mavericks and Pintos, the Chevy Vegas. Okay guys, that's going to do it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below. I'd like to hear your input. Please subscribe. I'm at 294. I'm getting close to that 300 mark. And it's really a cool looking Ford Maverick to end the show. So I really wanted to end it with something really cool. And this definitely takes the cake right here. So guys, take care of yourselves, be good to each other, be well, and I'll be talking to you guys real soon. This is Mike from Nitro Speed. I'm out of here. See ya.